Ian Manson here from the Online Waterproofing Shop. Just wanting to clarify why you might select Maxseal Flex over, for example, Maxseal Flex M. And if you start to look at what sort of pressures they can withstand, if that's your only criteria, which one has the best ability to absorb either positive or negative hydrostatic pressure, you're probably going to choose Maxseal Flex M. If you're looking for how it will fit in with your work schedule and the hydrostatic pressure isn't an issue, then you're probably going to look at how it fits in with your application. And also, another factor that could come into your ability would be the cure time before it is submerged. And again, there's quite a bit of difference with the Maxseal Flex Express being 3 days, which means that for a start, you can get the darn thing on same day, get the 2 coats done on the same day, and in 3 days' time, it's ready for submersion. If you want to know some more interesting facts, stay tuned or subscribe to our channel, and you will learn more from time to time. That's all, folks. Bye.